Well, hi there and welcome back. Dan again from Clean Guru. Just one quick minute on inspecting and how to get more out of it than just quality control. Not that quality control is a small thing. We do want to improve the appearance of our buildings, and so that's terrific. And regularly doing inspections is a great idea. Many companies do it. But be sure to consider not stopping at just talking to your cleaner and making the changes. Consider also leveraging it into marketing. That's right. Think about it, right? We use a lot of marketing to attract business, but once we have the client, marketing is also something we can do to keep the client. But there's not lots of things to use. I mean, it gets tough, right? We have customer service, and we're reaching for practical ways of doing marketing to a current client. Well, one really available opportunity is leveraging the inspection. Now, we have a software program. Part of it is an inspecting program. It has a wonderful performance review where you can highlight and show your client exactly what you're doing to improve quality, what you're doing really well at, what you're going to be working on. It shows them that you're on top of it. Now, other software programs have maybe similar things. The important thing isn't so much which program you go with, but are you also leveraging it in the best way that you can, not only to improve quality control, but also to work with your customer to build that relationship with your client, because that's really what in some ways marketing is on some level, right? Building that knowing and liking and trusting with your customer. And inspecting is a great way to do it. Till next time, remember, you can do this. You really can.